I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Muhammad Jahangir Alam, an English teacher of South Madrasa High School at Hajari, Chattogram. This is the period of English second paper for the students of class 9. Today we are going to discuss on right forms of verbs. We are going to discuss right forms of verbs according to tense. He go to school. Regularly. Dear friends, look at the board. Here is sentence. He go to school regularly. Here go is verb. We have to correct the right forms of verb go. If any sentence contains always, sometimes, often, usually, regularly, generally, normally, it will be present indefinite tense. Here, this sentence contains regularly, so it is present indefinite tense. Now, we are writing here, he goes to school regularly. Here we have used structure of present indefinite tense, subject, the present form of verb and extension. So it is present indefinite tense. Next, they work now. Here this sentence contains now. If we find now, at present, at this moment in any sentence, it will be present continuous tense. As this sentence contains now, we will write here present continuous tense. They are working now. We have written here the structure of present continuous tense, subject, are, and ing form of verb. So it is present continuous tense. I just received a letter. If any sentence contains just now, yet, ever, never, recently, already, it will be present perfect. As this sentence contains just, we will write here present perfect tense. So I am writing here, I have just received letter. I have just received your letter. As this sentence contains just, we have written here present perfect tense. And the structure of present perfect tense is subject, had, and or here has past participle form of verb. So I have written here, I have just received your letter. It rain since morning. If you find since or for before time in any sentence, it will be present perfect continuous tense. This sentence contains since before time or morning. It will be present perfect continuous tense. We know that the structure of present perfect continuous tense is subject, have been or has been, verb plus ing. So I am writing here, it has been raining since morning. This sentence is present perfect continuous tense because this sentence contains since before time morning, and I have written here, it has been raining since morning, present perfect continuous tense, because structure of present perfect continuous tense is subject, have been or has been, verb plus ing. Father come home yesterday. In this sentence, we have to correct the right forms of verbs come. We know that if any sentence contains yesterday, last month, last week, once upon a time, ago, etc., it will be past indefinite tense. This sentence contains yesterday, and this time indicates the past time of the action. As this sentence contains yesterday, this sentence will be past indefinite tense, and we know that the structure of past indefinite tense is subject, the past form of verbs. So I am writing here, father came home yesterday. The right sentence is father came home yesterday. This sentence is past indefinite tense because the structure of past indefinite tense is subject, past form of verbs, extension. This sentence is father came home yesterday is past indefinite tense. This sentence is they were play. We have to correct the right form of verb play. This sentence contains they, verb were, and so the verb will be ing form. So I am writing here they were playing. They are playing is past continuous tense because the structure of this sentence is subject where verb plus ing. Next sentence, the patient died before the doctor came. There are two actions in this sentence. One action finished before and the next action occurred after that action. In this sentence, patient died before the doctor came. And we also know that the part of the sentence which lies before, it will be past perfect tense. Here, the part of the sentence the patient died will be past perfect tense. Before it is in the first part of the sentence. So I am writing here the patient, P-A-T-I-E-N-T, patient had died. The patient had died before the doctor came. We know that the structure of the past perfect tense is subject, had, the past participle from the verbs. So I have written here the patient had died before the doctor came. He come next month. Even action will occur in future time. We will make it in future indefinite tense. The structure of future indefinite tense is subject, shall or will, and present form of verbs. In this sentence, this action will occur in next one. So, I am writing here, he will come next month. He will come next month. Or they go to Dhaka tomorrow. They go to Dhaka tomorrow, and this section will occur in future time also. So I am writing here, they will go to Dhaka tomorrow. So dear students, I have discussed right forms of verbs according to tense. Here, I hope you will practice some other forms of right forms of verbs and I also hope we will discuss another rules of right forms of verbs in our next class. Today I am going to finish this class. Thank you very much.